Hi, this is Vilji from Tasktop. Today, I'm going to show you how Tasktop integrates IBM RTC and Micro Focus ALM to improve collaboration on defects between software engineers and test engineers, with the benefit of improving resolution speed, cross-tool traceability, and reporting accuracy. Tasktop gives every single IT practitioner the information they need when they need it in the tool they love. The tools in our example are IBM RTC, a software development team collaboration tool, and Micro Focus ALM, an application development and testing tool. Before we jump into the tools themselves, so we can see each practitioner's experience, I'll tell you real quick what we're going to do today in the demo. In our demo, a test engineer creates a new defect in Micro Focus ALM. Tasktop will flow this defect to IBM RTC as a work item so that the software engineer can pick it up, associate it to the right plan for his team to start working. During the demo, I'll show you how the fields like summary, description, priority, as well as attachments and comments all flow from tool to eliminate duplicate data entry, email exchanges, and status meetings. Let's get started. Defect unification. Starting in Micro Focus ALM, the test engineer creates a new defect. For this CATS project, the tester uncovers a defect where registration shows unsuccessful even with all the criteria fulfilled. She goes ahead and creates a defect with that in the description, adds expected and actual results and other information supporting this defect, like severity and priority, and clicks Submit. Finally, she adds the summary and clicks OK. Now we can see that the defect she just created is in the defects list. Over in RTC, the software engineer opens the project and refreshes his defects list page. He finds that there is a new defect that has been synchronized between the two systems by Tasktop that allows him to say, "Hey, look, the tester could not register into our system. I wonder what exceptional test use case she executed." Let's read the description. The defect and all its associated attributes are now on both platforms, thus allowing both the tester and the developer to stay in their own tools without having to switch context and platforms. Unified reporting and planning. The developer knows how critical this defect is, and in RTC he changes the status to critical, adds this critical defect into the upcoming P1 cadence plan, as you see here. He saves that, and it's now in the backlog of unassigned items. Switching back to ALM, here you can see that the analytics and reporting tools are reflecting what is being updated by the developer in RTC. Thus, all the reasons a developer uses RTC, that is, planning, execution, deployment, so on, and all the tasks a tester does in the testing world with regards to test coverage, test statuses, making sure that the developer solves the defect, and the tester marks it as resolved. All of these happens because information is getting synchronized back and forth between these two systems. Traceability. In both of these systems, the defects are linked, establishing traceability between the defect and the developer's work to resolve it. You will have links associated to the item on the other system, which allows you to open up the corresponding record. Cross-role collaboration. Right now, there are no comments on either side. Tasktop allows comments and information to flow between the two systems, helping the developers to collaborate closer with the tester when they start to triage the issue. Suppose a developer adds a comment on RTC. Did you use the word Tasktop in your email address? Over on the ALM side, the tester refreshes the defect, and now he can see that the comments have been synchronized over from RTC to ALM, and it's now visible for him or her to reply or attach images to. In reply to the comment, the tester goes ahead and attaches the image of the use case scenario. He then saves it. Tasktop syncs this over to RTC, so now the developer is able to see it on the defect on RTC side. Thus, the bugs are solved sooner with easy collaboration. Our practitioners work seamlessly with each other, never having to leave the tool of choice, never having to copy and paste information, or even never having to send any email. Contact us for a personalized demo or evaluation at tasktop.com.